Alright, we're back. Okay, I found some new O-rings. They're a little bit thick, but I think they'll work. Close as I could find. About 70 thou thick, and these old ones here are about 67, 68, so it should be about the same thing. So I got one on there already. The smaller ones I couldn't find, so we're just going to have to reuse the old ones, which are still usable. They're about 50% hard, but they're still 50% usable, so 50% is better than nothing. Stretched out now. Okay. A little bit of oil on these and see if we can get this to slide in and out relatively easily. A little bit of a press tool here. Put light pressure on it and keep spinning it back and forth to try to get it to go. O-ring doesn't want to go in right here. It's not bottomed out on that side, so definitely will not go in. That's the inner O-ring here is the problem. Yeah. When I disturbed it, I expanded it. Now it won't go in this way, that's the problem. It's not the outer one, it's the inner one there. Use a flat blade screwdriver to put pusher on it. So when I took it off, I expanded it, so now it doesn't want to go back down. That's what happens when you disturb stuff. Poke myself. Definitely causing a problem. That's why they discontinued this model. Pain in the ass. There it goes. It went through the hole, but now it went through it. It went right through the whole edge. Didn't stay in there, so I can't make it stay put. And it sheared off a big chunk of it anyway. Yeah. It sheared it off. Didn't work anyway. Afraid of that. See all the O-ring material. Yep, cut it right in half. Junk. I disturbed it. That's all it took. It didn't work at all. See if the big one will go in there. It went in, but I bet you it sheared it off too. It had that feeling that it wasn't happy about it. Yep, cut it right in half. Failure. That's why that system doesn't work for squat. Alright. So, what are we going to do now? The ring we tried to put on didn't work. And the original one that we had in there didn't work. So, there you go. Complete failure. If you don't have seals on it, it's going to leak. So, I got to decide what we're going to do about this situation, because that didn't work. We'll be back.